Today I'd like to try different bike shares and scooters that tourists can use in Tokyo. To use bike shares, usually you need a smartphone to unlock the bike. And first of all, you have to make an account and verify your phone number. So you need to be connected when you use it, either with SIM card or mobile Wi-Fi that works in Japan. Many Japanese services are not considered to be used by visitors, so in this video I tried the service with the US credit card, phone number, and the passport for the service they ask for ID. This is the information of that today, so I recommend you to check the latest information when you try. I made a video about transportation and I showed the scene, me on the bicycle, but I received one comment that it doesn't work with foreign phone number, and I tried and it didn't work with the US phone number, so I borrowed the US passport, phone number, and a credit card and trying different rideshare today. Let me say the result first. The red bicycle by Docomo doesn't work, and Hello Cycling and Loop worked with the US phone number. But I also see reviews saying didn't work with phone number outside Japan, so it might be good to just take it as an option in case you can register for it. The bikes and e-scooters can be a little difficult for some travelers and not for everybody. But it's a great way to explore Tokyo away from the major areas if bicycle and e-scooters fit to your travel style. The first bike share I tried was Hello Cycling. It might not be as common as the red bicycle, but you can find it in similar locations around Tokyo. It's 130 yen for 30 minutes. Once you get the app, you can verify your phone number, which works with the US phone number, and register your credit card, which works with the US credit card as I tried. You open the lock with the app, and you can start riding. All bike shares a similar system. This bicycle of Hello Cycling was much bigger than the red bike and powerful. Also, the seat is much more comfortable. I returned this to the port in the first floor of the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. Here there are ports for all three major bike shares companies, Docomo, Loop, and this Hello Cycling. Next, let's try Loop. Loop is expanding rapidly in Tokyo recently. They have both bike and scooter. So I'd like to try both bike and e-scooter today. This one is a little more pricey as it's 50 yen basic fee plus 15 yen per 1 minute. So that would be 950 yen per 1 hour. That's a little pricey compared with 260 yen for 1 hour for Hello Cycling. The price is the same for e-scooter. This one asks for a little more process to ride. You need to take an online test for riding this, which was a total 11 questions. This exam is in English and there's a tutorial, and also you can take again if you fail. And you need to submit ID. I made a separate account for my friend with the US passport, and it took about 1 hour until you get approved by the office, but it worked with US passport. I felt it's much more challenging than bicycle. Riding itself is easy even for the first time user, and it has good feeling cruising around the city from high position, but the more difficult part was the traffic rule, and it's a little bit scary when there are lots of cars around you. So please be very careful to the pedestrians and cars when you use these services. Thank you for watching.